Hello and welcome to Mathgirl.org. I'm Mathgirl and I'm here with
Andrea
and
Nathalie.
Hey ladies, before we get started, you want to do any shout outs?
To the math team.
What? I didn't know you became a nerd all of a sudden. I thought you were gonna, whatever. Anyway, today we're gonna talk about adding and subtracting matrices. Hold on, let me get my little heart up here before I forget. So I didn't really know what a matrix was, so I went online and I looked it up, and this is what I got. I got a matrix is a rectangular array of numeric or algebraic quantities subject to mathematical operations. Beep!
But wait, I thought it was a car. Really? I thought it was a movie.
What? No. And by the way, before we get to it, when you say one matrix, it's matrix. But when it's two matrix, it's matrices. Like when you say one fish and two fishy. Wait, that doesn't sound right. Well, whatever. Anyway, see, I didn't know what a matrix was, so I looked it up. But now that I know what it is, it's basically just a table, like your kitchen table, where you have gandules and plátanos and. Wait, I'm getting hungry. Let me show you. These are all matrices, and all of these matrices are of different sizes. So for example, this matrix, matrix A, this matrix is a 3 by 1 matrix because it's 3 down and 1 across.
So that means B is 3 by 3.
That's right, it's a 3 by 3 matrix.
So C is 2 by 4.
Right, so we would write 2 by 4 like a multiplication problem.
And D is 3 by 3. And E is 2 by 2.
Oh, right. So if we wanted to combine these matrices, now we really can't combine all of them because some of them don't match up. Which of these matrices do you think we are allowed to combine?
B and D.
How come you think B and D are going to work?
Because they're both 3 by 3.
Right, they're both 3 by 3 matrices. So let's add matrix B plus matrix D. In the first spot, this spot right here, we're going to add the first element of B with the first element of D. So here I'll write -4 plus 2, which is just -2.
And then the first 3 and 9 is 12. And then -2 plus 5 is 3. And then 5 and 7 is 12. And then 4 and 4 is 8. And then -1 plus -1 is -2. And then -4 plus -6 is -10. And then 2 plus 0 is 2. And -8 plus 3 is -5.
Right, so our 3 by 3 matrices add together to make another 3 by 3 matrix. Hey Natalie, do you want to try the same exact problem again with subtraction?
Sure. So -4 minus 2 is -6. 3 minus 9 is also -6. And -2 minus 5 is -3. So 5 minus 7 is -2. 4 minus 4 is 0.
Wow, I think you're going to get a whole bunch of zeros in there. Like, I see a whole bunch of numbers that will match up nicely.
And -1 minus -1 is 0. So that means -4 minus -6 is 2.
And that would be 2. And what's that last element, Natalie?
-8 minus -3 is -11.
Perfect. Wait, You didn't write negative 11. Let me fix that for you. Negative 11. So sometimes it's helpful to have like a grid, kind of like the grid I put here on the screen of what goes where, so that things match up really nicely. But remember, we're gonna try to trick you. Us teachers, you know, we're messed up. We spent all night trying to figure out how to mess with you. So if you ever see a question like add matrix A plus B, well, guess what? There's no answer to that, because matrix A and matrix B have different sizes. So I'd be able to add these three numbers to these three numbers, but then what am I supposed to do with all of this? Take it out to dinner and take it to go see the new Twilight movie? Oh, I heard it's good. Now, and if you see C plus B, it's the same thing. C and B don't match up. B and C, I can't subtract B and C. They also don't match up. You can only add or subtract matrices of the same size. Now, multiplication, that's a different video. I'm gonna be wearing like prettier clothes then. So anyway, thanks so much for watching our video on adding and subtracting matrices. Girls, you want to come with me next time and see the show?
Nah, I gotta go do my hair.
Girl, I gotta do my nails.
Oh, you guys are crazy. See you next time.